Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create Android emulator in Android Studio. When you're ready to test your application in Android Studio, you need emulator to see if your application works properly or not. So how to do that? You can create virtual emulator or using your phone, but in this case, I want to show how to make emulator with Android Studio but nothing USB, but with virtual device in here. Okay, the next step, I will start again. Okay, let's assume your application is ready. In this case, I'm using Hello World. Just click in here in run app. Okay, after you click, please select create new virtual device. This is I'm first time use, so nothing virtual device in here. I click create new virtual device. Okay, in this category, this is category phone that you want to install as virtual device. I'm recommended in here using Nexus 5X because there is Play Store in here. Okay, now after I selecting this, I choose next. I want to refresh because there is need internet connection. I will try. Okay, in here I have four system image that support. I choose this for AP 27 in here. I can click next because I never download anything in here. I try to start download AP 27. Okay, you can see here there is Android emulator or an Google Play Intel x86 Atom for system image that I accept, and then you can read license agreement, but in this here I will just click next. Okay, this is start downloading. Okay, the download and installation has been complete. Now we can click finish. Then clicks on your AP 27 in here. Click next. This is your emulator name, and we can set this for default and click finish. Okay, our emulator has been created for testing our application, guys. Just click OK. Okay, now your emulator has been created in here, guys. Okay, this is your application. Okay, I select clear all, and if your emulator is running, you can just click to start. this is that's all tutorial. Hmm, how to make uh, or create the emulator in Android Studio. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.